Hello guys, let's unbox my PWC welcome kit. A welcoming message. Congratulations on joining PWC. Some badges. A beautiful coffee mug. Just love this one. A laptop mat. With PWC written on it. Very useful. And the best part was this. Botronics laptop stand. Most useful. Now, I was also wondering what's in this. But it's a lovely backbench. Again, PWC logo was there. I received brown in color. Definitely very useful in future. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my welcome kit. Lots of useful stuff. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe.